Okay, here we are, 3Gs and D. We're still working on some rust repair on the Blazer. We've got some product we're going to try to use. We're going to start with it on the gas tank and the skid plate. Then I'm going to use it to cover the interior cab part of the floor. And then we're going to do probably a Raptor liner, something like that for the bed area. But we've got our templates I made for the parts we had to cut out of the floor. I got those cut out of steel. I got them started to bend them up. But what we're going to use is KBS Coatings Rust Stops Here Rust Sealer. And then we got the clean it with that first, then the Rust Blast spray on to give it the pre-sealer coating, and then we got the seal. We went with I think a matte black, satin black, but we're gonna do that on the gas tank and skid plate first and see what happens. We just already did the clean and we're about to start the blast, and we can show you a little bit of that and we'll go from there. But yeah, we're going to be welding some floor panels in. I'm going to get up in there and spread some of that stuff around, see if I can stop it from ever rusting again, hopefully. All right, here we go.
What?
Nobody else say nothing? What are we doing?
We're
Applying the Rust Blast. We already did the rust clean. We cleaned it, washed it, let it dry. We already did the top side of the tank with blast, but we're going to do the bottom side now of the skid plate and the gas tank, and with the Rust Blast. And I put a nice zinc phosphate coating on it that will allow the sealer to adhere to the metal. And hopefully it won't look like this ever again. But the inside's immaculate. I was going to buy a new tank, but it's pretty nice on the inside, so we're going to stick with it. So
okay.
Here we go. Scrub it and work it in, and then it's going to start eating its way into the rust, filling the rust, breaking down the rust.
How long
Then
does it sit for?
we're going to leave it for 15 minutes. Let it sit. We're going to wrap it with plastic and just let it sit with the acid on there. Let it penetrate the metal really good, and then we'll rinse it off, let it dry, really dry. Want it bone dry, so then you can put the rust sealant on there from KB Coatings. G3 Otessa is our camera operator for this portion of our video.
Do you like being the cameraman? I mean, camera woman?
I'm not a cameraman. I'm a woman.
Yep.
I'm actually probably just a kid.
Camera kid.
Alright, I'm going to cover this one up.
Turn it that way.
Here's the, I'm going to cover that up. Just gonna put them on.
That's Kaylee. Oh, that's the left side.
And just let it sit there for 15 minutes and then we'll take them out and rinse them off.
Kaylee, there's a lot over here too. Where do you want us to set these at then?
You just sit over there.
Why do you look
Alright,
like you got
stop
on me?
that.
She did the bag on boxes.
Kelly.
Alright, our 15 minutes is up. So we're gonna do one more scrub.
Scrub and straight.
Watch out. Back up. And we'll go rinse them off. This will show some video too. I'm going to use it on the bottom, on the tub frame that I've done some repair on, as well as the, like I said, the interior cab area of the floor. And then in the bed area, we're going to use probably just a wrapper liner, some cheap do-it-yourself, since that's what we're all about. DIY it.
Come here.
Oh.
Come on.
You were going like this, so I don't know what you mean.
Just so you get it all off there. And maybe try not to get wet. In the cup. Oh, and if you see any white spots, that usually means that it's on there, and you just wipe that stuff off. The little crevices.
Good?
I think so.
Give it a rinse off.
What?
Rinse it, don't touch it. That's good.
in it like that.
And now we let them dry. The paint. And we'll be back.
Do that again, this way. Make that face again.
Let's see your reflection in there. Alright, we got everything dried off. Hopefully they're good enough. We're going to start putting the KBS sealer on there now. Or the girls are doing it. Don't put it on there too thick or too thin. See how you can see through it?
Yeah.
Put it on there fairly thick. Okay.
We finished the KBS Rust Seal coating on our K5 gas tank and skid plate. It turned out great and we like how the satin black finish turned out. Once we finish with the floor repairs, we plan on using this on the front part of the Blazer cab floor. That will be a future episode, so keep watching.
Thanks for watching 3G's Indie Garage. We hope you liked the video, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we post new videos. Don't forget to check out our Facebook to see our other projects.
See you later.
Bye.